Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to our workshop day two, which is the application workshop job application strategy. So, as what I said po in our email that we need to cancel the live training so that we can focus on our safety since that we are currently experiencing, the Philippines are experiencing super typhoon. So please be safe po and stay dry po. We are done. Yesterday, we are done with the resume and profile setup. Now, we are going to have like setting up our profiles, our online jobs at PH, LinkedIn, and also Upwork so that we will not also focus on checking job posts in Facebook, but also checking job posts in other sites as well, especially if we are really looking for direct clients. Okay. All right. So day two, first is view your toolkit and optimize profile. So this toolkit that we had yesterday, as of this moment pa lang po, marami pa pong hindi pa nakakasend. So I understand then kasi we are experiencing typhoon. So I we really need to focus first on ourselves and our family so we can actually send the toolkit to me tomorrow or after the typhoon ends. So I'm going to send like an email to follow up if you're done with your English test results, with other test results, and also to review and recommend something based on what I've reviewed on your documents. All right, so we will just ignore this first for now. Second is we will optimize your online jobs at PH, Upwork, and LinkedIn profiles. So if you haven't done creating this account, so we can actually start right now after this record. Third is search VA jobs on Facebook, online jobs at PH or OLJ, Upwork, and LinkedIn. And let's start sending application. All right, so that's what I said. Let's start now. So it's just an easy po day to will just like 1 to 2 hours of live training. So we will just focus more on optimization of your profiles. All right, so let's start with the online jobs at PH. So online jobs at PH is it's part of a recruitment website wherein not all but majority there are from direct clients from US, UK, NZ or New Zealand, Australian client, and also, well, I also, ano nga yan, na check ko din na madami na din yung mga VE companies are posting there. So, we need this online jobs at PH kasi ang daming mga urgent doon na makikita natin at saka available to start anytime. So for those who are looking for really an urgent position or job as well, you might as well check the online jobs at PH. So we will going to create first our jobs that online jobs at PH account. If you haven't, just click this link lang po. I'm going to share this slide for you. And also, we have this is really new, talaga yung AIHR staff ko. Si Anna, si Ella, si Colette, at saka si Ella. Yun lang po to. Yeah. And I created this one just last week to for have to have this. So this is you are you will be the first one who will use Luna. So Luna will gonna create or help you to optimize your profile as well. So let's go ahead and click this one and voila. So Itong account ko sa PinoyVAJobHiring.com, I already created an account to me, but let's just not use this one. Let's use my different email. This is from my other email, which is wala pang laman para at least man lang maturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-optimize. So, napakadali lang po to pag create. If ever you want to create an account, you just gonna click, wait, halag out ko lang muna ha. Eto, create a free account. Tapos, hindi ka naman employer. So here, I'm a Filipino online worker. Start finding jobs. Then, ayun. Your Gmail account, please, and also your password. Is yung email address mo, the password of your email address is also the same para hindi mo makalimutan. Baka iba-iba yung mga password mo. Pag login mo sa online job sa PH, iba pala yung password. So, yeah, my suggestion lang po. Okay, just click that one, and after that one, register. So, nakapag-login na, naka-create na po ako ng account. Once I have that one po, I'll just log in my account. Ayun. So, ngayon, wala pa po talaga tong mga details. So, what we will be doing is, yeah, sabi niya, incomplete profile. Complete your profile first for employers to sit in the search results. So, complete my profile. Yun. So, done with the register for an account. So, let's create a profile. So, first, we will need help for Luna. Okay, since that, yeah, dito tayo dito lang tayo sa isang browser lang talaga. Okay, let's have, ayun, onlinejobs.ph. By the way, Luna is your friendly VA profile optimizer. You will just be uploading your resume, or if you don't like, just share your experience lang po. Just copy paste your working experiences. Luna will turn it into an optimized OLJ, LinkedIn, and Upwork profile that highlights your skills na po, work ethics, and professionalism to help attract more clients. So let's see po. Okay, ayun. So I'll help you make your online jobs that PH profile stand out so clients quickly see your value. Could you please send me your resume and share a short summary of your work experience, the tools you used, type of the VA you want to apply for. So, di ba, kahapon, nalaman na natin yung top 5 best niche natin. So, please include that one as well here. So, I'll be going to send my resume one. And also my top 5 niche: general, VA admin, bookkeeper, executive assistant, ano pa nga, real estate VA, and nakalimutan ko na yun. Nakalimutan. Um, bookkeeper, finance. Just the same. Sige, ito lang muna. Kasi more on admin. HR. Ano ba? HR. HR pala. Okay. Yeah, just an example. So, ayun. Thank you. I've reviewed your background. Just seconds lang po ha. Na-review niya agad yung resume natin. So, you have a strong mix of admin, bookkeeping, customer service, and social media skills. So, here's your optimized online jobs page. So, ito, profile title, or this is what we call the headlines in our resume. So, we can actually check this if you're really good at this, or if not, you can actually ask Luna again for other options. Tapos, sa akin okay naman to kasi sabi ko nga, general VA, admin, bookkeeping, and real estate or executive. Okay, so wag mo na update. let's now start the creation of our profile. First daw po is to upload our resume. So let's choose the sample. Just a sample lang po ha. Job title, ayun. Ito yung sabi ni Luna. To profile title or job title. So just copy paste that one. Ayun. Profile description or profile overview. So please po, before you gonna copy paste this one have, review lang po talaga na this is really matched to your skills or to your experiences. If it will not match po, please po correct Luna. For example po, with over 2 years, pero 10 years pala yun. So baka may parang tao din sila, may mga mali. May mga mali pa rin din pala sila. And yun nga po sinasabi ko po, don't fake it till you make it, okay? If you don't have any experience on this kind of field po, please don't add that one po kasi nakakahiya po during along the run. If ever po nag-work po kayo ni client, for example po, tapos nagsabi kayo na alam niyo tong IT, alam nyo tong video edits, hindi pala kasi sample works pala yun ng kaibigan mo. So, yeah, it will really like madedevastate or madidisappoint talaga yung client mo. Okay? Okay. So, I'm good with this already. Since this is just a sample as well. Highest education attainment, I think it's not yet here. Okay, but I already know bachelor's degree. So, meron naman tong mga options. So, I did not graduate from high school diploma, associate's degree, bachelor's degree, or master's. Looking for, so it really depends on you po if you have like full-time as of this moment, and to start with a VA, you will just look for start up on a part-time or gig, then you can actually just choose this one. But if you really like to transition to full-time VA as well, you can actually look for full-time. Yung ano ko kasi, dati, gusto ko part-time muna. Para ma-attract yung mga clients. Yun, I just change it to full-time para ma-attract lahat yung mga clients. Kasi pag makita nila, oh, part-time lang pala to, sayang baka hindi ka na nila i-invite, ganito, ganyan. So, sayang yung opportunity. So, for me lang po ha, dun mo na lang i-inform si client na, hey client, I'm looking for a part-time for now. Once na during your interview, kasi nga, um, iba talaga pag BA, ang laki talaga ng todo. Like, hindi mo alam na ngayon na pala yung last day mo, kinabukasan, hindi mo na ma-open lahat mga tools, wala ka nang access sa Gmail mo, hindi sila nagpapaalam. Yung iba nagpapaalam. Pero, yun nga, wala silang, hindi kagaya ng local employment na or local employer na magsasabi sila at hindi agad-agad. So, napaka ano po talaga, yun po yun talagang challenge namin sa BA world. Kaya nga po, I understand na nag-hop sila ng ibang clients or they do like moonlighting. But for me po kasi as an HR, we are really strict when it comes to moonlighting um, kasi if you are working 8 hours for 2 clients, hindi ka makakapag-focus yan. Ako, super busy ako talaga sa HR. Hindi talaga ako if ever work ako sa second client. Kaya hindi ko talaga, baka hindi ako makapag-focus sa dalawa ko. So, wala akong trabaho. Diba? So, since that this is already long term for me, since I am already 3 years with them, so hindi na ako naghanap. Okay, it really depends on you po. Okay, looking for, this is full-time po, this is 8 hours a day. So if part-time po, which kung part-time, dapat less than 8 hours per day. 6 4, 5, ano ba, basta part-time po yan. Considered as part-time. Okay, let's go now to your rate. This is a Philippine peso po ha. Just check the sign. This is not a US dollar. So you can actually, since that we are like a beginner pa or aspiring VA, we can actually just have like, just check lang po ha, mga minimum hours for beginner VAs. For me po kasi, I think the beginning rate for the aspiring VA starts at $4. Wag po kayong, for me lang po ha, wag po kayong like bababa pa niyan, like $3 per hour. Baba na po talaga niyan, $3 per hour. Pero ay ano man din nila na um, nag-a-accept pa rin sila na ganito just to have like experiences. But for me lang po talaga, wag pong ibaba yung sarili nyo. At least $4 per hour or 200 po yan. 200, which is 35,200. Malaki na po yan for a beginner. But as time goes by po, if ever po wala pa ring increase after 6 months or after a year, please look for another job na po that can sustain you or that can offer you more or yeah, more or increased offer and also for your career growth as well. Okay. So birth year, yeah, just birth year lang po. Yeah, gender, male or female. Yeah, I'm willing to use time proof. I think this is like a tracking tool for onlinejobs.ph. We have a lot of tools for time tracker. So the online jobs PH have name itself like time proof. Meron po mga hub stuff din, time doctor, yung mga nags-screenshots habang nagwo-work, yung mga ganyan, para ma-check nila if nagtatrabaho ka ba or hindi. So just click that one if you're comfortable. And click next. Okay. Tell us about your skills. Select rate and describe your experience for your top skills. You can only select up to maximum of 15 skills. Okay, so I have, yeah, Luna already identified what are your top skills. I think ilan to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Oh, 15. Ayun, so maximum of 15. So ito na talaga yun. So, check nyo lang po if virtual assistant, ito, personal assistant, ilan ba yung experiences mo? Di ba sabi ko, pwede nyo i-add yung internship um, experiences more local company. So, just check po if ilang ba internship is around 3 months or 2 months po. So, for example, wala ka po talagang experience sa local jobs, you can just yeah, this one less than 6 months. But if you have like a local employment experience na po as an assistant or admin assistant for halimbawa 2 years, so just add that one. So 2 years and 6 months is 2 to 5. All right, so rate skill proficiency. Beware po nito ha kasi limit lang po like halimbawa hindi po yung maximum of 15 skills po hindi po dapat 5 stars. Si OLJ po naglilimit lang po kung magkano lang yung kung ilan lang po yung skills na 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, and 2 stars. So just check po if 5 stars po talaga to. Rate of proficiency or 4 stars. So for me po, since that I am really have an experience in personal assistant for a long years now, I'll just choose 5. This is really optional, like describing your experience. So just optional lang po. But if you do have like at that one, add like short description of your skills, of your experience, you can just add like 1 to 2 sets in the seconds. 1 to 2 sentences. Ayun. So naka 5 stars na. So kung if ever po 4 stars pala, you can just edit. Yan. Okay, next is ayun nawala. Okay, kala ko, dito pala. Kala ko next skill. Okay, admin support. So check nyo, ang dami pala mga ano ha, sa admin support, email support pa, chat support. Ano. So check nyo lang. More on admin. Ayun, 5 stars. Bookkeeping. Ito, meron akong experience sa bookkeeping sa local company. Pero, wala akong experience sa VA. So, meron pa akong kailangan matutunan, like the tools. Wala akong experience sa QuickBooks. Um, zero. It's sa training lang. So, hindi talaga to 5. Around 3 or 4. So, save. Real estate VA. Yeah, 1 to 2. Kasi, more on HR kasi ako. When you say real estate kasi, if you have really an color in real estate as an acquisitions or so on and so forth, that is really focused on real estate. HR kasi ako doon. So, not that really much know about the operation itself. So, just for social media management, yes, I handled a lot of pages na po. Personal, FB, yeah, personal page din po, and also my Pinoy VA job. So I think around 2 to 5 years. Canva, yes, since college. Uso pa ba nung college? Nakalimutan ko kung kailan talaga yung nagsimula. So, 2 to 5 years. Ayun. So, pag nakita mo to, um, OLJ or online jobs sa PH can only have maximum of 3 skills lang po daw for 5 star. So, kung wala na talaga choices for 5 stars, you can actually just have 4 stars. So, meron sila mga limit po. Okay, so I will not add more to this. You can actually continue this one based on what Luna said to you. Okay? Ayun, may suggestion pala siya $5 to $7 depending on the complexity of the task and scope of work. So again po, for beginner VAs, suggestion po talaga is $4. If you have like 6 months of experience na, you can actually ask for an increase for $5 per hour and so on, or look for a job that has a higher rate po. Okay, so let's just click next. So we're done. As you can see po, name not specified pa po dito. Kasi to strengthen your profile, verify your identity to boost your ID proof score, increasing your credibility as a job seeker and profile security. So, dapat po, para ma-increase po yung ID proof po kasi it's more on verification that you are a real person. Like you are not a robot. Para siyang blue mark sa Facebook na you are really legit, that this is really legit candidate. So please po send or upload your photo of any valid government ID with a selfie holding it. So this is for the ID proof. Total of 100. 100 ba yung ID proof? Yeah, I forgot. So just click that one if you want to send now. Tapos yung address is upload a photo of a document showing your billing address, light bill, internet bill that shows your name and email address po. Pwede na po yan. Mobile number verification, your mobile number, and also they will send you a verification code to connect that one. Okay, so once you've done that, magkano po yung ID proof dito. Okay, so put sa inyo na task kayo ng test. So once you have done that, please add that to screenshot. Yeah, add your test result, your screenshot result on this test call. You can actually save that one. So if you don't have like test score po, you can actually ask ChatGPT the test result and ano yung mga, ano nga yan, iba-iba kasi yung mga links ng mga this test. So just ask ChatGPT na lang po. So add test score. So out of 100, bali more on the ka 50, 35 ba 'to? So, dapat 100% to, eh, hindi 10. Sample lang po. IQ score, if you don't know how to, kasi iba to eh. Wala akong binanggit yan, IQ yesterday. Kasi what score, only the online jobs at PH that I know about it. So if you don't know what link po, you can just actually click this icon, and sabi niya to take the free IQ test, just click here. Tapos once you end the test and put your name and email to submit, the IQ score will be sent to your email. Take the screenshot and also show your results. So ayun. Enter your score and upload your screenshot on your profile. So, kung hindi mo alam kung saan yung test link po ha, dito lang po sa icon or sa taas po dito. Pati na po sa desk at saka sa English. So, if meron na po kayong English tests, you can actually just add test score. If C2, C1, upper intermediate, so C1 ata ako nun. Select a screenshot. Ayun. Save. So, yun po, meron po talaga yun. Nakalimutan ko yung screenshot lang. So, yeah, pagpaliban po pa po natin to. Pero if ever po na you're doing the optimization po, please add the IQ po. Test the IQ. Yeah, test the IQ and also screenshot the result. Okay. So now I think we are almost done with the optimization. Super madali lang po talaga. Pa nag-create lang kayo ng LinkedIn, or if ever wala po tong training na to, pag lalagin mo ng online jobs at PH, siya na po talaga mag-i-instruct sa'yo kung paano. Tapos Luna, parang napaka-helpful po nito para hindi ka na mag-create ng your own words, your own sentences, na tama to, walang M dash, tapos parang human. Ayun. So, if ever yun. Hindi pala. Ito. Ayun. So, okay na. Edit profile. Ayun. So, ito yung profile mo. So, when you click your account, yeah, just choose my profile. It will gonna direct you here. Okay, so ito, nakalimutan ko pala. Sa job title kasi, parang wala silang binanggit na dapat ilan lang yung characters. Pero if ganito po, di pala siya, may makat po pala siya. Just have it short na lang po. Or general VA, yan. Ano nga yung suggestion niya? Real estate. Ayun, so nakita na po. Okay, so meron po pala dito portfolio and website. So again, if meron na po kayong na-create na portfolio sa Canva, you can just also send the link here, public, paste nyo po dito. Address not specified, so just wala pa po kasi tayong ID na nasi-send. So kaya nga parang wala pa tong name at saka dito address. So once you send your address po at saka meron po yan. Okay, so that's done na po. Actually po, zero po kasi tong ID proof. Dapat po kasi recommended na before you're gonna send your application to the clients here in online jobs at PH, dapat at least 55 ID proof. Let me show you how po. Ito, for example po, when you find or if you want to look for clients na po, just click the job board. Tapos ayun, view more job post. Ayan. So select up to three skills if you really want to have like focus more on that three skills like admin, recruitment, social media management, and any other. Or if you want just have to scroll this one all para makita nyo lahat. So ito po employment type. So if you're looking for all of them, you can actually choose that one. But if not, halimbawa part-time, magre-refresh po yan. Tapos, magre-refresh ba? Hindi pala. Refine search results. Click that one. Tapos, it will just gonna show all of the positions or yeah, that are looking for part-time only. Yan. Ang gig po ha, it's not the same as gig po is like a project based. Once you're done with the work, parang wala ka ng work. Yan, ganyan. So may mga gig din po ng mga trabaho like nakalimutan ko kung ano yung mga role. Ano nga yan? May nakita ako like magre-read daw ng books para sa kanyang anak every night, 2 hours lang po per day for 2 weeks, mga ganyan. So after 2 weeks, wala na. So, ayan. Okay. So for example po, if you are really want to focus on more on admin, just choose here, I think admin, management, social media, social media management, graphic design. Ayun. So refine again. Isa lang yun. So much better na lang po talaga na wag ka na lang po mag-select kasi isa lang talaga mafi-filter out. Ito, dito sa search for a job title, you can actually just search for like a position related to the niche that you discovered po. Like for example, the admin nowhere dito, makikita po dito. So if they're looking for part-time, this is already today po. Ayun, 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ko alam kung yung ID proof mo. So required apply for this job, learn how to increase your ID proof. As I said po, your ID, submit your ID po, your billing statement that includes your address and also your contact number po. So, para meron po silang days of process po, once they verify na daw po niyan, mag-i-increase po yung ID proof mo and that's the time that you will gonna send your application through here. So admin and customer support po, if you have an experience in BPO industries or doing phone calls and also admin, you can actually apply to this. Since this is also a part-time role, yung part-time pala 15,000 na. Yung sa government ko nga 20K yun, full-time. Full-time na yun eh. Tapos may 4 hours pa ba. Good po for starting. Ayun. So please po, if ever, please po read this job post. Kasi po, meron po sila mga instructions. Meron po ako nakikita na if you're reading this, when you send your application, um, please add a word pineapple. Yung mga ganyan, parang ang weird naman ito. Bakit naman nag-ano sila? US clients naman kasi check nila na if you are really, really good in terms of you are really detail oriented, you are really reading their job post, you are really interested in role kasi nga binasa mo lahat-lahat. Tapos nakita nyo na may instruction pala na pineapple. Pag send mo ng application, you add pineapple. So yun yung ano nila. So wala po tong VA experience po kasi walang sinasabi dito. Sabi niya lang is minimum of 1 year of experience in customer support, appointment schedule, or admin. Yung iba kasi meron talaga naka-indicate na minimum of year of experience as a VA. Mga ganyan po, don't worry po, don't ever discourage that one po. ang dami ko pong nakikita na they are looking for someone as a yeah, that has experience as a VA, but they are pala accepting hindi they are also accepting pala na those working experiences in the local company. So please please don't ever discourage po and still submit your resume. Okay? Kasi yung post na yun dati, kailangan daw ng VA experiences. So, sabi ko sa interview, wala akong VA experience, but I have 3 years of experience admin na. Ganito, ganyan. Parang showcase mo yung experiences mo, yung skills mo, why you are fitted for this role. Sabi ko nga na, as a VA, it's just the same as what we are working in a local company. It's just that the tools are just different, but as as I have an experience before na ano nga yan, you are really good, you're tech savvy, tapos ano nga yan, you, parang fast-paced yung learning mo, mga ganyan, ganito, ganyan. So, please po, if ever po mag-interview ka po, check, Ana ba yun? Si consultant, yeah, for suggestions, if ever po may mga interview questions, kung ano po suggestion ng mga answers niya. Ganito, ganyan. So, it's more on selling yourself po, selling your experiences, even though you don't have experience as a VA. Okay? Alright. Ang dami po dito na really for a beginner po. Ito, social media engagement. This is really a good start, a beginner-friendly VA role na po to. $700 na po to ha per month. This is actually good. This is, di ba sabi ko, entry level. Tapos 735,000 po to per month. So imagine po ha, of 35,000 per month, malaki na po talaga yun. Tapos beginner VA ka pa. So meron na siyang working hours, check po. If you really have this like similar with the task that you did, when you are like a vlogger, when you were following or creating your page, ganyan, ganyan, engaging your followers, comments, messages, 'di ba? Meron tayong experiences niyan. Meron din ako pero not as a VA but as a founder of Pinoy VA Job Hiring. Not as a VA but a founder of your FB page, of your vlogger page, mga ganyan, vlogging page. So this is really like a transferable skills that you can actually send your application because you ba nyo na please read their instructions. Like this one po, please submit your resume and portfolio. 'Di ba sabi ko sa inyo na kahit management, they are really looking for portfolio. So please po, yun sinabi ko po, yung format ko po na portfolio, napaka-simple po nun, pero yung mga clients, they preferred simple design para makita po nila agad-agad. Kasi yung importante po doon, ang laman ng portfolio. Kung madami ka po mga sample works, please send it a lot of samples, ba madami ba mga video edits, like 3 to 4 video edits, para makita po nila yung how creative you are. Yan yung makikita nila na your skills because iba-iba kasi may experience ka nga sa Canva, may experience ka nga sa pag-edit ng CapCut o hindi masyado hindi masyado creative. So they are really looking for a portfolio para makita nila if you are really fitted or if they are okay with your design skills. So, sabi nila, use SMLFFT as a subject line of your application. So, hindi dapat iba-iba na mga subject line. So, kaya nga po, sabi ko na please read your this job post kasi meron po silang instructions. Kasi if you're not following instructions po, that will be automatically rejected. Okay? So, ang dami po talaga. Ang dami po. Itong CRM and automation, more on CRMs po kasi ito eh. Um, this is really good if you have an experience in a year of experience in like CRM. and automation. More on under IT po to. Ito, admin to the Chief Marketing Officer. It looks like an EA na po to kasi nga po sabi ko mga top na. But you can actually send application. Send mo lang application. Malay mo naman, di ba? Ayun, financial assistant. Meron daw. Check ko nga. Mga assistant kasi, ibig sabihin, under ka ng finance manager. So, baka they are looking for a beginner. VA pa. Kasi assistant nga. If you have experience in invoicing, accounts payable, reconciliation, finance admin, this is really good for you. Yun, my 2 years of experience though. Pero wala naman siyang sinabi na VA. So if you have an experience in 2 years in bookkeeping, finance, accounts admin, on your past experiences po, you can actually apply this. So this QuickBooks Online naman po, Stripe, this one is you can actually have like training or just check YouTube po. They have a lots of instructions on how to navigate these tools. And yeah, Google Sheets, meron naman tayo, di ba? Pero pivot daw to formulas. Okay. Yan. Yan lang po. So, if you want this one po, yeah, just send lang po. So, it will really take some time po if you are like bago lang po talaga kayo dito sa online job sa PH. Baka po, pwede na kayo makapag-apply like after 3 days or 2 days. It really depends po sa processing nila for verifying your ID or yeah, your ID and other details. Alright, so madami po talaga, like everyday po, ang dami po talaga job posts po dito. So that's it for our online jobs sa PH po. Now let's move on to, ayun, let's move now to Upwork. So let me just pause this one for a bit or stop na lang din po to. Para pag mag-send po ako ng videos po sa inyo, ano po, na-separate po yung online job sa PH, Upwork, at saka yung LinkedIn. Para if ever meron po kayong i-check na like, halimbawa, in the middle of training pala yun. So just mag-check kung kailan ako discuss ng Upwork. So I'll just stop this one for online jobs at PH. Tapos I will create another video for Upwork. Okay? So thank you po.